5 steps of risk management explained simply. Every organization talks about risk management. But what does it actually mean in practice? Is it just about making a risk register? Is it about insurance? Is it about compliance? Risk management is not random. It follows a structured process. If you skip even one step, the entire system becomes weak. Today, I will explain the 5 core steps of risk management in simple language with practical examples. Once you understand these steps, you will see how structured organizations prevent chaos before it begins. Let us begin with the first step. Step 1 is risk identification. You cannot manage what you cannot see. This step involves identifying all potential events that could affect your objectives. For example, financial risk, operational risk, compliance risk, strategic risk, reputational risk. In a manufacturing company, risks may include supply disruption, machine breakdown, labor issues, or regulatory penalties. In a bank, risks may include borrower default, liquidity stress, cyber threats, or market volatility. Identification requires structured workshops, data analysis, industry research, and scenario thinking. The goal is not to predict the future perfectly. The goal is to recognize potential vulnerabilities. Ignoring risks does not eliminate them. It only delays the damage. Once risks are identified, the next step is risk assessment. Not all risks are equal. Some are highly likely but low impact. Others are rare but catastrophic. Risk assessment evaluates 2 key factors. How likely is the event? How severe would the impact be? Organizations often use a risk matrix to classify risks as low, moderate, or high. For example, minor system glitches may occur frequently but cause limited damage. On the other hand, a major data breach may be rare but extremely damaging. Assessment helps prioritize resources. Without prioritization, management attention becomes scattered. Risk assessment ensures focus on what truly matters. Step 3 is risk mitigation. Once you know the high-priority risks, you decide how to manage them. There are 4 common responses. First, avoid the risk. For example, not entering a highly unstable market. Second, reduce the risk. Installing internal controls, improving processes, strengthening cybersecurity. Third, transfer the risk. Purchasing insurance or outsourcing certain activities. Fourth, accept the risk. If the impact is manageable, it may be tolerated. Mitigation does not eliminate risk entirely. It reduces exposure to acceptable levels. The objective is control, not elimination. Risk management is not a one-time exercise. That brings us to step 4, monitoring and review. Risks change. Markets evolve. Regulations update. Technology advances. A risk that was minor last year may become major today. Monitoring involves tracking key indicators and reviewing risk levels regularly. For example, rising loan defaults may signal increasing credit risk. Increasing customer complaints may indicate operational weaknesses. Regular reporting ensures emerging risks are escalated early. Without monitoring, even a well-designed risk framework becomes outdated. Continuous oversight keeps the system alive. The 5th and often ignored step is communication and risk culture. Risk management is not only about systems. It is about people. Employees must understand risk boundaries. Managers must encourage reporting of issues. Leadership must demonstrate accountability. If employees fear escalation, risks remain hidden. Strong communication builds transparency. Risk awareness must flow from boardroom to operational level. Let us summarize the 5 steps. Identify risks. Assess them. Mitigate them. Monitor continuously. Communicate effectively. When these steps are followed consistently, organizations become resilient. Risk management is not about avoiding uncertainty. It is about managing it intelligently. And structured process is what transforms uncertainty into stability.